two more ways. One my mom taught me, and another one I just learned off the internet that everyone does. So I'm gonna wait till I hiccup again. Hopefully that works. Alright. Oh wait, I'm gonna wait till I hiccup again. I'm gonna hold my breath. So. Oh, this is loud. Jeez. See if it works. Probably not, because there's hiccups. Alright, I'm gonna try holding my breath again, and then swallowing 3 times. So.
Because we believe every moment is worth celebrating. Shaw's, the official supermarket of the New England Patriots.
Actually, this fall savings event, everything has to go. Here's how. We started with a terrific savings deal. Then we had no-cost payments and Toyota's 6 technology at no additional cost. Come to our fall savings event and get a full gas model lease for $169 a month. There's no cost.
This is a ripoff. Bro. Alright, now I'm just gonna try something else, like maybe a different video. So I'm gonna think of ideas. So let's see. What do people usually like to watch on YouTube? I have 7 subscribers. Oh yeah, at least I have more than 5. Well, I'm gonna be watching wrestling tonight, so that's gonna be fun. Can't wait. What time is it? There's really nothing else I can do, but stay tuned for next video. I don't know what it'll be, but bye.